We are going to change the slope formulas into the function notations in the following setting, which is very important in calculus. We start out with a graph and a typical point x, and this is its coordinate. And we're going to consider a neighbor of x, or x plus h, a little bit over, and of course, its coordinate is given as such. And we're going to connect a line between them, and we want to calculate the slope of this line. And of course, in this case, the y components are actually the f of x plus h and f of x. And the x components are the x plus h and x. So when we substitute this function notation into the delta y over delta x formulas, we have these. And the x cancel, we basically have h on the bottom. And this is called the difference quotient formula, because the top, x plus h minus f of x, is the vertical difference. And the similarly, h difference in the denominator is the difference in the x coordinate. And there are three algebra that's very important in the settings, okay? So let's look at the three algebra that will utilize this formula. So here is simplified the difference quotient, this formula, given f of x is this. So we're plugging first of all, we're plugging the x plus h. And then notice that to expand x plus h, we have to use the square formulas. And so we get these expansions. And notice there's a copy of f of x sits inside here. And that copy gets canceled out. And everything left has h. So you can take the h out, and then we cancel the h. And that's why we say this is the final simplified version. That is, the h in the denominator is canceled. And here's what we do with the fractional formulas. And first, plugging x plus h and f of x plus h is equal to 2 over x plus h over 1. This is f of x plus h minus f of x. I want to simplify these. So this is a complex fractions. Clear the common denominator, multiply by this, and when I multiply, expand the top, and I obtain that, and cancel and expand the top, I get minus 2h and h cancels. The third type of algebra is the square root one, and this we get this x alpha x plus h. This is a difference quotient. We use the conjugate multiplication, and the conjugate top square out. And when that with h again cancels. And that's it. Okay. Bye-bye.